How to fix TikTok server updating problem. First up, open up the Settings app in your device and click on General. Then click on iPhone Storage and search for TikTok. Then click on Offload App option and wait for the option of Reinstall app and then wait for the TikTok app to be reinstalled. The second option is to go to your home screen and look for the TikTok app option. Long press on the app and click on Clear Cache option, which is the first option. After clicking on it, the cache of the TikTok app will be deleted. The third option is to go to your App Store and then search for the TikTok app. Click on the search icon and type TikTok. After this, you can see that the TikTok app has appeared in your screen. Here, if you see the update option instead of open, click on update and let your TikTok app update automatically. Another thing is to look for is go to your Safari and type Down Detector. After you have typed this, click on the first website that comes in the search results. This might take a few seconds to load, but once it has loaded, you can see that the website consists of a search icon on the top right. Type TikTok on the search icon and then you can see a report of the TikTok outages in the last 24 hours. If this shows that TikTok is serving some downgrade in the TikTok app, then you must have to wait until the TikTok downgrade is ended. And this is how you can easily solve the problem. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.